All right, guys, Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, back at you again with another video with Jake from Fass. Jake, we've got something on the table here that is pretty awesome. Why don't you tell us about what's going on here?
Sure. So this is the Fass EGR Solutions EGR filter kit. So this particular one is for the 17 through 19 Duramax, which these kits do go up to 24, so current year Duramax. We also have them currently available for 2017 through 2019 Power Stroke.
Awesome, and you guys have these coming down the pipeline for the Cummins as well, right?
Yeah, so actually if you go to the Fass EGR Solutions social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, any of that, you can see some of the teaser shots. The 6.7 Cummins kit, which is coming soon, we hope to have a firm ETA very, very soon, is going to be, I wouldn't say a piece of art, but very close. It is a really cool kit, it looks great. Super functional, drastically extending the life of the EGR system and downstream components. So yeah, we're excited to get that one going.
Awesome, and on that note, tell us exactly what this does for your truck, for the people that out there may not know.
Yeah, for sure. So anybody who's not familiar, which a lot of diesel owners will know, the EGR system, exhaust gas recirculation, is basically force feeding exhaust gas back through your engine for emissions reasons. Now, this kit, the idea behind this kit is to filter that out. So we are not disabling, removing, altering, impairing any emissions equipment. We have dozens and dozens, if not more, of these kits running around in the real world on functioning daily driven trucks, and they are completely emissions intact, fully emissions compliant. What this kit does is filter out 85% of the soot, that abrasive particulate matter that would otherwise circulate throughout your engine, get into your oil, get into the combustion chamber, and we expect to see about a six times the life increase of your EGR components simply by installing this kit.
We're all using our trucks hard. We all need them on a daily basis. We need them to work for us for a long time because trucks aren't cheap these days. I mean, we're talking, average 80, 90, 100,000 for a brand new truck these days. So if you guys are looking to keep your truck healthy while staying emissions intact, you absolutely need one of these EGR solutions from Fass. If you guys have any questions on this or you're looking to get one of these kits, make sure to hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Jake, thanks for coming out.
Thanks for having me.